so I just realized that I haven't been doing any beauty videos with you guys. I haven't been doing anything related to beauty with you guys, right? It's been a lot of pop, lock, and drop, pop, lock, and drop, pop, lock, and drop. So today I wanted to do something related to beauty. In the next couple of days, couple of weeks, I will be doing more beauty related little videos like this. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you guys a few just one item that I absolutely love. Okay, I came across it since the pandemic, so you know a lot of our beauty needs are not being met because the lash place is closed, the nail salon's closed, the spa's closed, the hair salon is closed. So we have to take care of ourselves. And I've been doing that myself, you know. But I do have a background in beauty, so I can do that. But a lot of us can't. So I'm going to be sharing with you things that you can do, cheap things you can do for yourself. Okay, so there's a lot of things, like I said, you can do at home for yourself while we are stuck at home. Don't let this pandemic, this quarantine, stay-at-home life, stop you from being beautiful. Stop you from taking care of yourself, your outer looks. Don't let that put a damper on your mood. You can get up, I'm not saying every day, but once in a while, put on your face. Give yourself a spa treatment. Put on your wig. Just look good. Especially for my married sisters out there. Especially for those living with their men, their women, whatever the case is, who your partner. People like to come home to looking at their mate looking fresh and beautiful and clean, smelling good. So don't let yourself go totally, take care of yourself and look good for yourself, but also for your partner as well. So don't completely do what you normally do, as if you were going to work, okay? As if you were going to meet with your girls. Do what you normally do. You take care of yourself, right? You put on your face, you curl your hair, put on a nice clothes, put on some perfume, and that's it. You feel good. So let's get right to this video. So today, my favorite product of during this pandemic, my quarantine favorite product is Kiss's Magnetic Lashes, guys. The bomb. So I usually get my lashes done, but because of this pandemic, I haven't been getting my lashes done. So my friend referred me to this Magnetic Lash by Kiss. All right, it's Kiss Magnetic eyeliner that I'm about to apply. So it comes in a package, right? So you'll get a magnetic eyeliner, and then you'll get lashes. Okay, this lash is tantalized. It's the Kiss brand, all right? So you have to buy the lash that matches with the Kiss brand. So this is the Kiss brand. It comes like this in the package, all right? Different lashes, different styles. It comes in different styles. Long, short, very thick, full, not full. But I chose this style because it's more everyday. It looks everyday-ish. I can work every day and not look so over dramatically, but you're gonna see it looks good. It is so easy to apply, ladies. Wow, easy to apply. Let me show you. So first step is to put on your magnetic liner. Okay, you have to make sure it is the magnetic liner by Kiss. It's the Kiss brand, and it has to be magnetic liner, and all you have to do is apply it like you are applying a liquid liner over your eyelash. All right, and you have to let it dry. So if you have chinky eyes like me or a heavy hood eye like me, make sure you hold your skin taut and apply it. I'm putting a nice thick liner because the magnetic on the lash needs to stay on. So this is it, right? Looks good. I always had trouble putting on liquid liner. I really did. Ugh. But practice made perfect. So now I'm going to apply it to the other side. I already had some on, but I took them off so I can show you. All right, so you apply a good amount. I really can't see good because the light on my ring light is really bright. Oh, it got in my eye. Shit, it's burning. Be careful, guys. This shit burns. All right, so make sure it's dry. So this is step one, is putting on the liner, and you have to make sure it's dry because it can get messy. It can get down to your lower lid, get into your eye, like mine. You can see it is in my eye. It can get messy. So you have to make sure that be very careful. Don't put this in a rush. Take your time to apply the liner, because the way you apply the liner makes a big difference in how the magnetic lash will sit. So I'm going to let it dry. All right, so this was the Kiss magnetic eyeliner. I just applied it and I'm going to let it dry really fast. Okay. Again, you have to put a good thick layer, and let it dry completely. Make sure you get the corners of your eyes, the inner corner and the outer corner. It makes a big difference in how these are going to sit, how it will sit. So I zoomed in, guys. Look at me. I got a mustache. Ooh, these are all real, guys. These are all beauty marks that I have that are real. La, 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 la. All right, so I got closer so you can see. I'm going to apply it. All right. So I'm getting it on. Oh, shit. So I'm using my hands and I'm getting it on the liner like so. I need to be looking down at forward. So boom. 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 Come on. Let me get that boom. Boom. There you go. Ladies. Okay. Oops. This has to be on the liner so it can sit. Boom. 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 Simple as that. This spot. Right. I got it on. Quick, right? And it's a little messy because look, the liner is messy, so you have to be very careful, guys. Very, 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 very careful. So let's get the other one. So my left eye should be completely dry. The liner should be dry and perfect. So let's zoom in again. Let's get into my eyes, my hairy nose, the real me, right? And then get it into your eyes. I hold my skin back a little bit because I have droopy eyelids. It's genetics, baby. Boom. Look at that, ladies. Boom. Boom. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Okay, this one back here needs to be exactly. Is it on the liner? I don't know. Oh, wait, it is. Okay, here we go, guys. It's on the liner. So, guys, here it is. Real fast. Fast. Okay, and it's sturdy and it lasts like 8 hours or more, you know? So you do have to carry the magnetic with you just in case it's like the corner starts to lift, the end starts to lift. You just reapply it gently and then, press down on it to fix it. But this is it. And it's really, look, it's sturdy. So I'm going to pull it, tug on it. As you can see, it's really secure, guys. I'm pulling on it, as you can see. All right. So these are not too long. I didn't apply them perfectly because I'm doing this on camera, but they look natural, right? Not too bad. So if you take your time and you do them before leaving the house, not on camera like I am, you'll get great results. The liner is the key. The way you apply the liner is important. You have to apply it really good, as thick as possible. If you don't like it thick, then this is not going to stick because the magnetic on these lashes needs to feed off the liner. Easy to come off. Easy to come off. Right now, I showed you that it's very stable, right? If I pull on them, it's not going on, baby. It's really stable, but it's easy to come off. So just hold your skin tight and just pull. That's it. But they're stable. As you can see, there's a little magnetic shield on them. There's like 6 of them, 6 pieces, if you can see in there. I don't know. Can you see them? Move back a little bit. Maybe now you can see it. Let me zoom in. There's like 6 little magnetic tabs that hold. So I just removed it. I could put it right back on the same liner. Okay, let's try it. Let's do it. All right, so you can see my liner was not applied well at all. So this is not good. So you have to make sure you really apply the liner really good. So boom. See, step 1, get into the center. Step 2, get into that corner. Get that corner down. 3, boom. My eyes are watering. Sorry, guys. All right, and it sticks right back on. All right, wait. I gotta. Might as well water. It sticks right back onto the liner. So it's important that you get your eyeliner on really good, and you let it dry really good, so that you can get better results. I'm tugging on it, guys. I'm tugging. So, guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. And it does not pull your natural lashes off. These are more convenient and more safer than putting individual lashes. Individual lashes are much natural, looks really sexy. I love them. But for the time being, I can't get to a lash place. This is my new best friend. They come in different styles, they different length, and it's really easy to put on and remove. All right, again, you see, the key of getting a good lasting lashes is to really apply your liquid, the magnetic eyeliner, actually really good. You have to really apply it really good, really set it, let it set, let it dry, so this can stay on 16 hours. I've had it on for 16 hours. Really, I did, really. And one thing I like about them is that they're very light. It doesn't feel like you have them on. It doesn't feel like something is on your lashes and they're like, oh my God, what's that? Oh my God, there's a bug. No. It feels light. It's very light, very comfortable. Okay, to my lash lovers, you want to try something new, these magnetic ones, and they've got different brands. Different company carry different brands. There's really, really, really good ones that last weeks. It's coming in the mail. I will be reviewing that one soon. I can't wait. It's supposed to be better than this. It's the same concept, same liquid, eyeliner, magnetic, everything, but it's just lasts longer. It lasts weeks, I heard. So we'll see. But that's it, guys. This is my favorite quarantine product at the moment. Favorite quarantine product, because I can put it on, do my videos, and just be happy and look fabulous and look glams, and I'm not worried. Although I look great without my lashes, but we always want extra because we're women and we like extra things. Ladies, let me tell you, continue to love yourself, treat yourself good. Don't let yourself down. Take care of yourself. Okay? Because